port. All aboard.
Say, isn't that Clapper's new book you're reading there?
Yes, Tim.
What do you think of it?
Well, I think he overworks the gimmick of coincidence too much. The whole book is full of coincidences. Under a law of probability, it'd be impossible.
Say, isn't that Clapper's new book you're reading?
Yes, it is.
What do you think of it?
Well, actually, I think he overdoes the gimmick of coincidences. There's just nothing but coincidences in the whole thing. Under the law of probability, such coincidences would probably be impossible.
Exactly.
Call for Dr. Stotophagic.
That's me.
That's me.